Hey everyone, if you've ever wondered how to write a winning resume that stands out and passes the ATS filters, this video is for you. Let's dive into 10 quick tips that can help you land your next job. 1. Have a clear goal. Know exactly what job you're applying for. A generic resume won't impress anyone. 2. Keep it simple and clean. Use clear fonts and easy formatting. ATS systems love simplicity. 3. Start with a professional summary in just a few lines. Tell who you are, what you do, and what makes you right for the job. 4. Use the right keywords. Pick words straight from the job description so the ATS can match your resume. 5. Focus on achievements, not tasks. Don't just say managed a team. Say led a team that increased sales by 30%. 6. List experiences in reverse order. Start with your most recent job and highlight the most relevant roles. 7. Add a skills section. Include both hard and soft skills that matter for the position. 8. Mention education and certifications, especially if you're new in your field or have completed relevant courses. 9. Keep it short and focused. 1 page is usually enough. Remove anything that doesn't add value. 10. Review and export as PDF. Check for grammar or spelling errors. Then save it as a PDF to keep the layout consistent, and that's it. Follow these steps and you'll have a winning resume, ready to impress both hiring managers and applicant tracking systems. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more career tips, and let me know in the comments which tip helped you most. Good luck with your next job application. You've got this. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com